chasing us.
Chasing what?
Chasing.
Chasing us?
Chasing, it means ano?
They're
Malaman.
chasing. No way. I'm gonna chase them.
They are very cheesy.
Yeah. The police.
Ate Rihanna is at the back. Toto, look, oh.
Kuya
Janjan and Ate Rihanna.
There's the back. They were here. Daddy. Junyan. And the back.
Ang
the
cute
one
ng magpinsan
tower.
na sa likod. Bakit?
Oh,
Doon pa mayapot ng si Rihanna.
good ready.
Kaya nga eh. Nakita
Ay,
ko. Sweetheart naman sa likod. Nakita nga, grabe yung ano niya. Parang wala siyang tiwala kay Kuya Janjan niya eh, no? Dalawang kamay, nakahawak sa likod.
they're the same. Each other go forward.
Yeah, they're going forward.
The other ones go backward.
Tita Mira, yan yung suot ni Ate Creo na pants. Tingnan niya na.
Ah, yan ba yun?
Diba?
Gustuhan
Kasi sa
niya?
kanya. Oo, nagustuhan niya. Sabi niya sa akin, hala, ibig sabihin dyan, mas malaki pa rin ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, oo, bakit? Ayan to, yung dalawa, sa gilid mo ta.
Kaya nga eh.
Sabi ko, yung dalawang kamay na kahawak.
Kunti na yun.
Sumakot ko si Jen.
Ate Rihanna.
Ate Rihanna? Sila ito Ate Rihanna. Ate Rihanna, smile.
Smile. Ate Rihanna.
Ate Rihanna.
Yeah, smile. That rock.
Ate Rihanna.
Here. So there. Here.
Buksan.
To the light way.
Buksan gagawin. Kapag nila sa magbukas ka,
Ako, paano ba ito sarado?
angat mo tayong nakaano na yan.
Yes, there.
Ganun ba tao?
The window is open again. Someone in trouble. You need that. You need that.
The window is dangerous, ha?
It's dangerous.
Yes.
You open the window. The handy here. You open the window.
Huwag makulat.
You have
Ano na?
what?
Ano na?
Happy to open the window. Hands will be.
Close.
Ay, oh. Ginampangan na si Tita Mira daw.
Ah. Oh, kuya, dyan there, oh. See?
Daddy's going at that. Daddy's behind.
Tinanggal niya na yan kanina yung kamay
Wait,
niya.
Junior.
Nung nag-overtake sa kanya binalik.
Right. He's riding straight.
Ate Rihanna there, oh.
They're the same. They each other a big. Ate Rihanna. What happened?
Pag dito,
Tanggal yung antig nito.
mga ano pala yan, mga
Ayun,
magpap
Ate Rihanna there, oh.
dito.
Daddy, we're going. They are going up. Up.
We're going up.
Yeah.
No, we're going down.
What? We go down?
Yes. Hanggang sa baba.
Kasi baba. Oh. Driving our motorcycle in college still.
Grabe, English ang lalim.
Okay, basta na kayo. Okay, English si Daniel, eh. Wala na ilong si tita, oh.
Alam mo yung ang lalim ng English niya. Ay, no, no, ah. Tita, oh, sinasampal niya si Tita.